Day 5. Communication and Influence. Effective communication skills for coaches. Effective communication is a cornerstone of successful coaching. When coaches express themselves with clarity, they ensure their messages are understood and their intentions are transparent. The pacing of a conversation allows space for reflection and thoughtful responses, fostering a supportive environment. Precision in language helps avoid misunderstandings and keeps discussions focused on goals. Together, these elements empower coaches to guide, motivate, and inspire those they work with. Clarity is a fundamental aspect of effective coaching. It involves expressing ideas in a straightforward and concise manner, ensuring that messages are easily understood by everyone involved. By using simple language and avoiding jargon, coaches can minimize the risk of misunderstandings. Clear communication helps build trust and keeps both coach and client aligned on goals and expectations. Ultimately, clarity paves the way for more productive and meaningful coaching sessions. Pacing plays a crucial role in effective conversations. By tuning into the client's natural tempo, you can create a more comfortable and supportive environment. Matching their speed of speech and pausing appropriately allows for a smoother exchange. It's also important to provide moments of silence, giving the client time to reflect and process their thoughts. This thoughtful approach encourages deeper engagement and fosters trust in the conversation. Precision in language involves choosing words that are both specific and intentional. By carefully selecting our vocabulary, we can convey ideas more clearly and reduce the risk of misunderstandings. This approach is especially important when communicating with clients, as it ensures that our messages are interpreted as intended. Using precise language helps build trust and supports clients in fully grasping the concepts or instructions we provide. Minimal encouragers, summaries, and clean language are vital techniques for fostering a supportive and non-directive coaching environment. Minimal encouragers, such as brief verbal affirmations or nods, signal active listening without steering the conversation. Summaries help clarify understanding by reflecting back what has been shared, ensuring both coach and client remain aligned. Clean language involves using neutral, non-leading questions that allow clients to explore their thoughts and feelings freely. Together, these tools empower clients to find their own insights and solutions. In client-centered conversations, it's important to be mindful of common pitfalls that can undermine trust and openness. Using jargon can confuse or alienate clients, making it harder for them to engage fully. Leading questions may unintentionally steer the conversation, limiting the client's ability to express their true thoughts and feelings. Hidden judgments, even when subtle, can create a sense of bias and discourage honest communication. By avoiding these pitfalls, we help ensure that interactions remain respectful, unbiased, and truly focused on the client's needs. Silence, when used thoughtfully, can be a powerful tool in communication. Pausing during a conversation gives clients the space to process their thoughts and feelings more deeply. These moments of quiet encourage reflection, allowing insights to emerge that might otherwise remain hidden. By not rushing to fill every silence, we create an environment where clients feel safe to explore their inner experiences. Skillful use of pauses can ultimately lead to more meaningful and transformative conversations. Let's explore how the same client statement can be addressed in two very different ways. In the first approach, the response is dismissive and lacks empathy, leaving the client feeling unheard and undervalued. In contrast, the second approach demonstrates active listening and thoughtful engagement, validating the client's concerns and fostering a sense of trust. By comparing these two styles, we can clearly see how effective communication not only resolves issues, but also strengthens the client relationship. Let's review what we've learned with a quick quiz. Here are 5 statements, and your task is to decide whether each one is clean or leading. This exercise will help reinforce your understanding of how questions can influence responses. Pay close attention to the wording and consider whether each statement is neutral or suggests a particular answer. By practicing this skill, you'll become more adept at recognizing and crafting unbiased questions. In summary, effective coaching relies on clear communication, thoughtful pacing, and precise instruction. By focusing on these key elements, coaches can create a more engaging and productive environment for their athletes. Practicing clarity ensures that messages are understood, while proper pacing helps maintain attention and energy. Precision in language and feedback leads to better results and continuous improvement. As you lead your sessions, remember to refine these skills to maximize your impact and support your athletes' growth.